How to add friends on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to find and follow people on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the Add People icon on your profile page to open the Discover People section. At this point, you'll see a list of suggested people you may know. Tap on any profile and tap Follow to send them a follow request. In the next step, if you want to search for a specific person, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Following this, type in the username of the person you want to add in the search bar and tap on their profile from the results. Once done, tap on Follow to send them a follow request. If their account is private, they will need to approve it before you can see their content. From here, if you want to find friends from your contacts, go back to the Discover People section and tap on Connect Contacts. At this stage, allow Instagram access to your contacts, and it will show you people from your phone contacts who are already on Instagram. Finally, if you want to find friends through Facebook, tap on Connect Facebook in the same Discover People section and follow the on-screen prompts to sync your Facebook friends with Instagram. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you find and add friends, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.